Hi folks, Will at LR Workshop. I'm going to be mocking up the rounded door seals from the later Puma doors onto the square doors on my Defender that fitted to all pre-2005 models. I'm not going to actually be fitting them in this video. As you can see, my doors are shot, but I've been asked by several people about whether they would fit, so I thought I'd make a video of it. At a later date, I will fit the rounded doors to this vehicle and the seals will go onto them, because these seals were only fitted from about 2011 onwards, but it will fit the earlier rounded doors if you drill them, which is what I'm going to have to do at some point. Before these rounded door seals came in, you would find this flappy bit of rubber that constitutes the door seal. And then if you go even further back in the Defender history, you'll find the door seals were fitted to the sill rail rather than the door. I was surprised to see that the seals actually fit quite well. There may be a bit of a kink there, but as it's rubber, I don't think there's any problem with the radius of the seal stretching around the sharp corner. And it doesn't seem to phase it at all. Just looking here at the hinge end, I think you would need to drill holes so that the seals were flush against the lip of the door skin. Thankfully or not, the holes are in different places that attach the door seals to the door, so you won't end up with overlapping, elongated holes when you're converting your doors to these door seals. There may be a bit of an issue of drainage, because the rounded doors have got a separate drainage channel that goes down behind the seal. This is how the front row door seals fit up against the sill. It really helps the sealing if your sill channel isn't a crusty mess, as mine was last year when I replaced the whole of this side frame, and now it looks rather nice. In a rather crude way, I don't think you'd be a problem with closing the door. The seals may squish out a bit at the sides because the rubber might be pinched in the corners, but this door's in this instance bulging out because both seals are fitted. But I don't think it'd be a problem. For the second row doors, it's basically the same affair. The seal radius, I think, can easily handle this corner and mould into place. These seals on the second row are handed because of this angle, whereas the front row, it's the same seal for each side, which is handy. You can get a good view here of the cutouts that would be for the drainage channels on the rounded doors that are behind the seals. The drainage may be a bit of a hurdle to overcome in some way. Lastly, this second row door seal is a takeoff, so you can see here there's some sealant around the pins, so it may have been fitted from the factory with some black schmoo. I bought genuine door seals. See my other linked video about why Britpart and Bearmark seals are utter rubbish, in my opinion. These are two of the three part numbers. See if you can guess what the third one is. Subscribe for more rubbery videos in the future. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.